Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. So today's video I'm going to share with you how to do sugar scrub for exfoliating, and everything you need might probably be on your kitchen at home already. So if you want to see how I made this sugar scrub, keep on watching. Without wasting much time, let's just get into it. So for the sugar scrub, you need a sugar, of course. You can use either white or brown sugar. So I choose to go for white sugar. And also you need oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will go for extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, honey, and essential oil, and of course color to color it. You can switch it, and of course glycerin to add moisture to the scrub. So I'll go ahead and pour in some amount of sugar in a bowl. So the quantity you needed depends on how long you want your sugar scrub to last. So after pouring in my sugar into the bowl, I'll just go ahead and add my honey. So this honey will help to moisturize and at the same time exfoliate my skin. And of course you need oil. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use any oil of your choice, and I'll just add everything into the sugar. So after then I will just go ahead to add the lemon juice. So the lemon juice, you don't need much of it. This also helps to lighten the skin. So exfoliating your skin is very important because it helps to remove dead skin cells for the surface of your skin. And you know your skin do repair itself. So whenever your skin repair itself, you have to exfoliate. This will help to maintain the elasticity of your skin. So guys, I'll just go ahead and add the glycerin. Glycerin is very important. Like, I'm really happy that I discovered this recently, and I've been adding it to my DIY a lot these days. And I'll just go ahead and add essential oil, and I use lavender essential oil, and after then I'll just mix them together. So guys, exfoliating your skin also depends on your skin type. So if you want to exfoliate your skin, you have to know your skin type also. I've already said it in this channel that exfoliating is very important, and also knowing your skin type. So don't exfoliate your skin too much because it will strip out the oil on your face. So if you have the dry skin type, you have to exfoliate your skin once in a week, and you are the type that have the oily skin, can exfoliate twice in a week. So guys, after then I'll just go ahead and add the color, and I'm using food color. So not just use any color that you need. You have to use a food color and the one that is suitable for skin, and then I will just mix it. Then as I'm mixing it, I will just also go ahead to add more of the sugar until I got to the consistency I needed for this sugar scrub. So I'm on the dry skin type, so I do exfoliate my skin once in a week. So the bowl I'm using, which is the one I use, is too small, so I just go ahead and transfer it to a bigger one, add more sugar, and then mix. So for your sugar scrub, you don't want it to be too, like, the sugar to be too much. I don't want it to be too light. And if you are exfoliating your skin with sugar, I know sugar is hard on your skin, so you don't have to use force. You just have to apply it gently using a circular motion. Using force to apply to exfoliate your skin with sugar scrub might cause damage to your skin. So you do it gently and in a circular motion. So this sugar scrub is very easy to make and is very affordable. So you don't have to spend too much. You can get sugar at any grocery that is close to your house, or you can just use the one you have at home. I make this much because I don't want to be making it over and over every week, because this one I make can last me up to a month because I exfoliate once in a week. So guys, this is it. You can see the consistency. You can see that the sugar scrub is coming out well. So guys, this is how your sugar scrub should be. Not too kind of hard, and not too light. So guys, this is how it is. Very easy to make and very affordable. So guys, after mixing it, and I know that it's well incorporated and got to my consistency, I will just go ahead and pour it in my storage storage can or whatever that I use to store it. You can just cover it in a bottle, in a jar, or wherever you want it. But I just decided to do this, and then I will just store it there and put it in my fridge. So I'll just take from there and use once in a week. So guys, this is it. Very easy to do. You don't have to stress yourself, you don't have to spend too much money. It's just like the same one you will buy on the shop. So you can save more money by doing this, and you can have healthy skin because exfoliating is very important. So guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really do appreciate all your support. And you know, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to know, because more video is coming, more video like this. You won't regret it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.